There are two types of adjustment in Photoshop. There's a local adjustment and a global adjustment, and I'll show you these both. At the moment in the layers panel, the image on the left is active, so I'm going to attach a local adjustment to this. To find these, we go to Image Adjustments, Image in the menu, Adjustments, and I'm going to come down to Hue and Saturation. I'll click on Hue and Saturation, and here's my Hue and Saturation panel. If I left click on the hue and drop it to the left, you can see the hue changes on the image itself. It's affecting nothing else in the layers itself. I'll press OK. Now if I do want to affect everything in the layers stack, I can use what's called a global adjustment. These exist in the panel here, adjustments, and these are global adjustments. Slightly different because these ones create their own layer. I'm going to click on black and white. If I click on there, you can see a black and white layer is added to the stack, and a global adjustment affects everything underneath it. In this case, the two images, and you can see that both turn to black and white. If I just really wish to affect the one on the right, what I could do is move this black and white adjustment down the layer stack underneath the left hand image, just affecting the right hand image.